Hello and welcome to HyBiz News. This is Chaitanya Muthu. OnePlus 10 Pro specifications have been revealed by company's co-founder Pete Lau ahead of the phone's report launch in China on Jan 11. The list of specifications include information on the flagship smartphone's camera, battery and SoC. Details like the size of the display and storage configurations in which the phone will be offered are yet to be officially announced. It is among a select few smartphones which will become equipped with the recently announced Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Generation 1 SoC. It will come in at least two color options. As per a tweet by the OnePlus executive, OnePlus 10 Pro will run Oxygen OS base 12 based on Android 12. It will sport a fluid AMOLED display with second generation LTPO calibration technology and 120Hz refresh rate. Previous reports have suggested that the phone will have a 6.7-inch QHD Plus display. It will be powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Generation 1 SoC, which could be paired with up to 12 GB of LPDDR5 RAM and UFS 3.1 256 GB storage. For photography, OnePlus 10 Pro will get a second generation Hasselblad triple rear camera setup with dual IOS. The setup will include a 48 megapixel sensor, a 50 megapixel sensor and an 8 megapixel sensor. For selfies and video calls, the phone will come with a 32 megapixel front camera. The smartphone will pack a 5000 mAh battery with 80 watts Super viewership fast charging technology. There will also be 50 watts Air viewership wireless charging and reverse wireless charging support. Thank you for watching HyBiz News.